REM is the first ever speed stick specifically designed for skaters and inline skaters. Foldable, lightweight, and height adjustable, ready to be used in just seconds. REM is a complete game changer. With a powerful 3,000 watts motor and a range of 20 kilometers or 12 miles, you'll be able to conquer any hill and eliminate all boundaries in your city. REM is controlled by the top ball like a throttle, and it is super easy to learn. You can be a total pro in less than 5 minutes.
Wow, me encanta.
With it, you'll be able to conquer parts of the city you never thought were possible before. We wanted to create something completely independent of your board or skates. The idea was to allow you to use any type of device with REM without requiring any modifications at all. There are electric versions of bicycles, longboards, or scooters, but there are no good options for skateboards or inline skates, and we believe that's for a reason. Any modification in weight or complexity of these kinds of devices completely ruins the user experience. As inline skaters and skateboard users, we wanted to be able to explore more parts of our city, climb hills like any electric scooter, or be capable of gaining speed on any part of our city. With a 40 kilometers per hour or 25 miles per hour top speed and exceptional agility, navigating through traffic becomes effortless. Then, when you arrive at the skate park, simply leave it behind or use it to gain speed and clear big jumps. 3 years ago, we started developing our first prototype. Using our experience in car mechanics and electronics, we created the first prototype that proved that it was a concept worth it to keep evolving. After all this time, hundreds of new users have already tried it, and we've been collecting all their feedback and perfecting the final product according to their needs. At just 5 kilograms, 11 pounds, we are way below any personal mobility device, and with the folding capability and the fabric handle, REM becomes an easy-to-carry device ready to be used in any circumstance. Backers like you will help turn our vision into reality. Your backing will ensure the launch of the first ever production run of REM and make you one of the very first ever REM riders. And remember, with REM, you can turn your city into your own personal playground.